Let me tell you about FedNow. FedNow frequently asked questions. Now they're going to play it off. I'm not saying it in a bad way. I don't want you to get discouraged. I want you to use it if you think that this is the right platform for you. But FedNow says what the Fed's new instant payment system is and is not. All right. So just be aware of what's about to come down this pipeline. All right. That's what I want you to understand. Let's tap in. It's a new platform that will allow you to transfer money. All right. That's basically what FedNow is. And the Federal Reserve plans to roll out its long anticipated faster payment system called FedNow in late July, right there in the fine print. This will be the first government created platform to help your bank transfer money in real time. It is similar to what the private sector has already created through payment apps like Venmo and Cash App that sends funds almost instantly, but outside of bank accounts. So unfortunately, the problem that we have with those other apps is you got to wait 2 days or 3 days before they give you your money. But FedNow is saying we're going to give it to you instantly. Now they're saying the FedNow has been years in the making, and its potential impact on the global banking industry, with thousands of financial institutions able to access the system, has generated not only praise, but also concerns and confusion about what FedNow will actually do. So let's get down to the bottom and the nitty gritty of it. All right. FedNow is the first U.S. government created and backed portal allowing banks to send and receive funds almost instantly. So they cut the check, you get it, and they can just drop it into your account and it shows in your bank account in real time. All right. And then they're also saying the Fed already has a payment portal, but it doesn't operate in real time. Unlike Venmo, Cash App, and other money transfer apps that allow users to instantly send money between app accounts. But to receive money into your bank account, whether from a check, direct deposit, or payment app, you may have to wait a few business days or bide your time over the holidays or the weekends. Now, when this FedNow launches, you'll be able to make payments to your mortgage within seconds. You'll be able to send funds on the due date rather than having to plan several days out for an online payment to clear, or up to a week for a check to be processed. Business owners will be able to send and receive invoice payments in real time online. Will FedNow replace cash? No. The FedNow system won't replace the dollar or the digital currency for that matter. It is a platform that will transfer your dollar online the same way popular money apps transfer funds. The promise of FedNow is that it will allow financial institutions to make those transfers happen between bank accounts in the blink of an eye. And while there have been claims on YouTube and TikTok and other social media that FedNow will replace the dollar with a new digital currency, those claims are false. As the feds put it, the FedNow service is neither a form of currency nor a step toward eliminating any form of payment, including cash. That's what they're saying in the fine print. All right. They said, does the FedNow replace money apps like Venmo and Cash App? And they said the feds have made clear that FedNow is not intended to kill or replace other money transfer options like Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, or Zelle. Rather, it's meant to work alongside the current systems built by the private sector. Thousands of banks are already using the Fed's current, slower payment systems. May see FedNow as a faster option that the government is backing. There are 57 organizations that have adopted the new program and become certified as of June 29th. They're already certified. We're in July. There's already a real-time payment network, a private service launched in 2017 and used by more than 100 financial institutions to offer instant funds transfers. Zelle is the only app-based payment system that operates within the RTP network. That's why you might see Zelle services offered directly when you log into your bank account or your credit union. So if you use Zelle, you're using RTPs already. That's the real-time payments. But when you send money through Cash App or you send money through Venmo or PayPal, it may take a moment and say, hey, we can put this money into your bank, but you got to give us a certain percentage. They're saying, how will it work? They're saying FedNow is the clearing service for financial institutions to provide immediate end-to-end payments to customers. The key difference between this service and the Fed's current system is that the FedNow will be online 24/7, processing transactions in real time, and is available to more than 10,000 financial institutions that operate within the Fed's network, and the banks will be able to opt in to FedNow. They won't be forced to join the platform. If you want your money in real time, you don't think these other banking institutions are not going to tap in? That's why I said we got to talk about the money. The question is, do you think that this is going to be something that you will be using? You think that you're going to be forced to use, or it is what it is? Will you use FedNow is the question. 1, yes, I need my money. 2, no, I don't use apps to transfer money. 3, I'm going to tell my friends about this. Or 4, I'm going to test this out for myself to believe it. That's the question. Will you use it? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Hold up.